Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little unboxing for you in this very plain and simple box. I am always on the lookout for diamond painting and craft kits that are a little bit different. I spotted this one online. I'll pop links down below as always, and I thought it looked kind of fun. So let's have a look inside and see if it is as interesting as I thought it might be. So, oh, we've got instructions. That's always nice. Right, so this is a DIY 3D puzzle building cabin. So I like my miniatures. If you've been watching my most recent live stream, if you saw that on playback or when it was live, you will know that I'm currently in the middle of making this miniature, which is going to be a book nook. So it'll sit on my bookshelf and then it'll have lights inside and it'll be like a little library within my library. So yeah, do hit the bell icon if you're, and make sure you're subscribed, and then you'll get notifications about when I'm going to continue working on that. But this is another sort of house or model. We've got, right, there's the roof. I've got other bits there. So this is all going to be diamond painted. It looks to be very nicely numbered, very clear. You can see that there. If we just pull back there, you're not going to get any reflection. Then you can see how clear that is. Looks like we've got rhinestone style crystal drills. So this is going to be our little house. Put a little bit of flooring there. It comes with boat wax pen, everything you need to get started, and our drills. So let's have a little look at these colours. They are pre-bagged, which is lovely. We've got numbers on the bags, so we know what we're doing. 1, 2, 3, 8, 4, they're not in order. 5, 11, 10, 13, 9, 7. Oh, specials, I'll do those in a second. 12 and 6. So lovely colours. It's going to be very sparkly. And our specials, we've got these kind of amethyst droplets. Very nice indeed. And we've got a large droplet there. So this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. So that's what it's going to be like. It's going to be so cute. Except mine is not going to be a spooky one like that one. It will just be sort of cottagey. I didn't want to go for something that was specifically seasonal because I want to be able to display it all the time. So yeah, there's a fair bit of diamond painting to be done before we can put it together. But what I will do is I will get this done as soon as possible and get it available for you to see. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I will pop a price for it on the screen now. It looks like it's going to be pretty easy to put together. So it shows unpack the kit, peel back the film. You know how to diamond paint. You don't need me to tell you that. So you do all the diamond painting first and then you put it together. I will probably seal it using some diamond sealer just to make sure that it stands up to the test of time. And yeah, I'm also thinking, because of the open cutouts for the windows, I might put some fairy lights in there as well. So there's lots of options. Yeah, not going to need any glue. It's going to be so cute. And actually, it's going to be a little bit bigger than I expected, which is nice, because I really wasn't sure. You know, from a picture, sometimes it's not clear exactly how big something is. They're showing it hanging from a tree, and sort of that could be really tiny. But actually, this is going to be our main size. So I think it's going to be great. This is fairly sturdy wood. It's like a ply. You could maybe get away with putting it outside for in good weather. I would say don't leave it out in the rain. But yeah, very, very cool indeed. So keep an eye on the channel. I will do an update for this as soon as I have actually made it. In fact, what I might do is work on some of it in a live, but yeah, follow the channel, hit the bell icon, and then you will be notified whenever I do things and you can follow along. On that subject, thank you to everybody recently who has become a channel member, whether you are new or old. I am so, so grateful, and it is always wonderful to have you on board. If anybody wants to join them, it is just 99p per month. Once you've joined, drop me an email with your address and I will send you some stickers. Now, I'm going to leave this here for today. Thank you so, so much for joining me for this very quick little unboxing. I'm really looking forward to getting started on this little project. And as soon as it's done, I will show you how it looks. Thanks again. And until next time, stay crafty.